Welcome to the fourth day of knowledge sharing on no code. Today, let's look into multiple choice, image, date, and spinners. Let's get started. As the name suggests, this allows the user to make multiple choices. You can add your questions here, make it mandatory, add all the options that you want, or you can also use some predefined options here. Use this for calculation, like we discussed previously. Spread this to multiple columns and also to have other options, other as an option. If this is for surveys, then you can limit the entries with minimum 2, maximum 3, so on, and also shuffle the options. In advanced, you can make some options as default. All the other default options are available here. We have already covered number. Over here for number of years of experience, let's go to image. If you want to display some content in the form of image to your users, you can use this. You can upload an image. For now, I'll just upload our logo. You can adjust the size, and since this is locked, the height and width will change accordingly. If I make this as 300, unlock this and change this to 200. You see this remains at 300. You can change the alignment, left, center, or right. In the advanced option, you can write some text in this field, which will be shown if the image is not loaded on the user's end. You have all other options like shrink, height field. We have spoken about file upload over here, which is resume upload. Let's go to time. Like date field, this field will allow users to choose a time. You can make this as a mandatory or an optional field. Hours and minutes. These are the subfields. Sub-labels, which is added to this field. In the options, you have 24-hour format, or you can make it as AM bar PM. Default time, current, or some custom options. You can also have a range where they will be able to select some range from time until to time. You can also have some duration indicator, which will basically show how long have they selected. In the advanced option, you have option to make this as read only, shrink, and hide field. Now let's look into the spinner. which is nothing but a number field, but you can increase or decrease the number using minus or plus buttons available here. This could be used for years of experience and left, right, or top align this. Make it mandatory or optional. In the options, you can limit the entry, saying minimum should be 1 to, let's say, 50 years. In the width of the field, you can change the steps by which it will increment. Right now it's 1. You can make it 2. So it will increment step of 2. You can mention no decimals allowed. Negative values by default are not allowed. You can enable this. In the advanced, you can set default value if required, shrink and height field. If you have any questions, put it in the comments and I'll answer them in the subsequent videos. Thank you.